to your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Follow me.
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
The Big Bang!
We're on a generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! We're ready! Oh yeah? We'll see about that!
Get us back.
This thing is more complicated than I thought!
I will destroy you.
We did that all the time! Rocket, anytime! Okay! Let me try! Milky Way just formed!
I hate milk.
Well, we're here! It's about time!
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, blink your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long.
I will put up that perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect!
We're back. Rocket coordinates are echoed.
It's F-Hot! F-Guy, who knows these things? Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guys.
Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?